When we start on our marketing journey, I often hear people saying, my work should speak for itself. I would like to argue that though most of us do good work, what our best clients are after are not those who merely do good work. I believe they want somebody to connect with, somebody they can really have a good relationship with, which means we have to show up with our best quality, because there's only one of you and one of me, and we are all uniquely talented and we all have superpowers. Unless we show up in the marketplace with our amplified version and the polarized version of ourselves, I don't believe our best clients can find us. So we appear with frequency and consistency with our marketing messages. Then the challenge lies, we get asked questions from those fans or those around us, wondering if we are getting immediate results from our frequent and consistent marketing activities. Then I would like to answer those, how are you going with your marketing posting, or how are you going with your marketing activities? To that question, I would like to answer, I let my work speak for itself.